Hello everyone, NadLabs here. Today I'm in a brand new Godot project and I'm going to be working with the Tilemap node. So I'm going to go add a child node, and that is going to be Tilemap or parent node, depending on how you view it. And I'm going to click tileset over here on the right, and I'm going to click new, and I'm going to click new tileset. Once I do that, I'm going to click on this tileset, and you can see over here it says tile shape. Are they stacked? What is the tile size? But I actually want to make tiles that I can place around in my game. How do I do that? Well, I'm going to go over here to tileset, and I'm going to click icon.svg, or I'm going to drag icon.svg, and I'm going to say the atlas texture was modified. Would you like to automatically create tiles in the atlas? What does that mean? That's fancy speak for saying, do you want to convert every single thing here into a tile? And yes, I do actually want to do that. So now I have tiles. Let's say I don't want Godot's eyes for some reason. I can always just right click and delete, right click, delete, right click, delete, right click, delete. Now Godot's eyes aren't going, or Godot's left eye isn't going to be a tile. But you can see now, we have tiles. Everything that is highlighted in an orange box is a tile. And it's as simple as that. Now when I go to Tilemap, I can select this tile and I can drag and paint. I can select this tile, I can drag and paint. This one, same idea. And that's all there is to it, to actually using a tile map in Godot. And now I'm going to show how you can do the exact same thing with an asset in case you wanted to see that. Over here, I'm using the Kenny 1-bit pack. I downloaded it a few years ago, but I'm just using the same file ever since. And I'm just going to copy this over into Godot. And you can see it imports here. There's only one slight issue. If I just drag this in, you can see that it is extremely blurry. So what I'm going to do is go to project settings, and I'm going to go down to rendering, and I'm going to find default texture filter, and I'm going to set it to nearest. I'm going to set it to nearest. Originally, it should be on linear, and you can see it's kind of blurry in the back. When I click nearest, it's not that blurry anymore, and I can zoom in, and it'll be crisp, clean pixel. Now I'm going to try using colored as a tile map source, or a source of tiles. Now you can see over here, I'm going to drag it in, and I'm going to say, would you like to automatically create tiles? Yes. Now there's a slight issue. These tiles are based off like a 1 pixel separation, so I'm going to type in 1 pixel separation, and now I have tiles that fit with fit over here. And now I can go back to Tilemap down here, and I can select, I don't know, I want to paint with this one, and I can paint my tiles. If I want to put a tree over here, I can do that, and everything just looks pretty clean. I mean, that's how you make tiles. That's how you use them with a sprite sheet, or if you just want to use the Godot Icon, the SVG, and cut that up into a tilemap, that works too. You most likely came to this video from any other tilemap video I've made, so this is kind of the basis. This is all you really need to use or know when working with tilemaps in Godot. That's all I have to say. Have an amazing day.